A subtle exterior modification to the Tesla Model 3 is the installation of a set of door handle wrap trims. Not only do they help add a bit of personal touch to your car, but they also protect the chrome trim on the door handles. Protecting the door handles is one of the first reasons you need to install a wrap. It prevents scratches, discoloration, and dents. In addition, it keeps the handle free of fingerprints. The door handle wrap protects it from the natural elements. To protection, the door handle wrap improves the overall appearance of the Tesla and gives it some personal touch. The door handle is a small component that is not as noticeable as other large components. However, car owners, those who take pride in their cars, will know that every little detail can make all the difference. While not obvious at first, door handle wrap can increase the resale value of your Model 3 by protecting the easy-to-scratch chrome door handles. Your vehicle will look immaculate around the doors and in the door handle area for longer. This is Julia from Tesery.com. We are an online store that specializes in Tesla aftermarket accessories. There are a variety of options on the market, each with its own pros and cons. How do you find the best door handle wrap for your Tesla Model 3? Tesery has hand-kept this best door handle wrap kit. So what are the benefits of the wrap kit? Now take a look at its features. The wraps are customer-cut specifically for the Tesla Model 3 door handles for a precise fit. The wrap kit consists of 4 door handles. They are made from ABS material for superior quality and durability. ABS is also weather resistant, which means it can withstand heat, cold, sunlight, and humidity. This material ensures long-lasting shades and an awesome, vibrant look that is resistant to fading. The material used for the wrap is also UV and water resistant, which further adds to its durability. The door handles are available in a variety of colors, from white to matte black, which is the most common factory color for those who wish to color match the door handle to the rest of the exterior. If you prefer a chrome finish and want to protect the door handles from scratches, there is also a clean door handle wrap. Here are the variations of each color: bright black, white, bright carbon fiber, red, matte black, matte carbon fiber. If you are wondering if the wrap is easy to install, even if you have no experience installing car wraps, the installation is relatively simple. It does not require much effort or special tools to do it. You just need a little patience, and it takes about 5 minutes to install each wrap. The same goes for removing it. This is great because you can always restore the factory look of the handle. In addition, you can change the existing wrap if you want to update the aesthetics of your car. To remove the door handle wrap, you will need to run the heat gun and the handle on a low setting, or you can use a hair dryer. After heating for a minute or so, let it cool for a few seconds. You just need to be careful when peeling off the wrapping. As you may have gathered by now, the door handle trim is more than just a decorative accessory. It protects against harsh elements and maintains the longevity of your vehicle's door handles. The color options are impressive, and of course, it's made exclusively for the Tesla Model 3, which makes it an ideal choice. If you like the short video, you can follow us or leave a comment. I will introduce more practical accessories in future. If you want to buy Tesla accessories, just come to Tesery. Okay, bye!